All right, we got 7 items to pack up. 4 of them are dehumidifiers, so we're here in the dehumidifier closet. We've got a black 2 Life we're gonna ship out. Get that guy in here. We have another bed red, non-sealed right there. And then we got 2 of these smaller 35 ounce, 400 square feet dehumidifiers. I think they're called, yeah, Tabic. That's what we're getting out for dehus right now. Oh, and 1 big one. Alrighty, got these guys out here. We also got a big boy 90 pint Keep Glad that sold for $149. So let's grab that guy. Alrighty, and I got a router here, a TP-Link AX21. It was actually sent back to me. The buyer didn't want it. I relisted it, sold the same day, so sending that back out. And then we have an air filter up here as well that I gotta get out. And I forgot this air filter is actually on the back of the E. So back here we got this air filter here. Hermetics air filter. This one for $29.99. Get it out. Everything going out. And we got a few more already packaged up because it's the weekend. I haven't had to deliver the past 2 days, so there we go.